And welcome to another in the Ask the Data Governance Coach video series. And today's question is one that to be honest, have been sent in recently, but I've also been asked it many times over the years. And the question is, do we really need data governance processes? And I think the reason people ask this question is they think that data governance is mainly about the roles and responsibilities. And don't get me wrong, absolutely, the roles and responsibilities are vital to the success of your data governance initiative. But we also have to have some documented processes. Now, the reason for this is that, firstly, people in your organization haven't been doing data governance until you started your initiative. So they don't know what to do. They don't know where to start. So we need to give them some clear guidance. And the second reason is that, if we explain to people that we want them to write definitions and to review them regularly or to report data quality issues, and if they're a data owner or a data steward, perhaps investigate and resolve data quality issues, they're initially not going to know where to start, but after they've been doing it a while, they might be happy to dive in and have a go. But if we don't have agreed processes, we won't have consistency. And this makes me think of an instance fairly early on in my career where perhaps by sheer enthusiasm, I managed to persuade my data owners and data stewards that they needed to fix data quality issues. Except I didn't have a central data quality issue resolution process. So some people were perhaps enthused by what I'd been saying to them, and they dived in and they fixed some issues. The only problem was they didn't do this in a holistic manner. They didn't identify the consumers of that data because there were other consumers than the person who'd initially raised the concern that the data was wrong. And they made a fix which solved it for one person, but actually caused a problem for some other people and actually caused the system to fall over because the data changed the format. And the unexpected format caused the system to crash. So you can see that perhaps in my naivety and also that of the data owners and the data stewards, that things went wrong that was not the intended consequence of fixing things. So what we need to do is to make sure we have very clear and simple processes. As you know, I'm an advocate for all things simple when it comes to data governance, but we do need to have processes and guidance so people know what we're expected to do and how to do it. So I hope that explains why we need them. And I hope you will join me soon for another Ask the Data Governance Coach video.